morning, everyone. My name is Riola.
Good morning, Leora. Today
Good morning.
activity identification of body parts. So, Leora, show me eyes.
Eyes,
Show me nose.
nose,
Show me your lips.
lips,
Show me your tongue.
tongue,
Show me your teeth.
teeth,
Show me your cheeks.
cheeks,
Show me your chin.
chin,
Show me your eyebrows.
eyebrows,
Show me your forehead.
forehead,
Show me your face.
face,
Show me your head.
head,
Show me your tail.
hair,
Show me your ears.
ears,
Show me your nose.
nose,
Show me your chin.
chin,
Show me your neck.
neck,
Show me your chest.
chest,
Show me your stomach.
stomach,
Show me your hands.
hands,
Show me your fingers.
fingers,
Show me your shoulder.
shoulder,
Show me your shoulder.
shoulder,
Show me your elbow.
elbow,
Show me your knees.
knees,
Show me your legs.
legs,
Show me your foot.
foot,
Right.